Struggle with a lot of like lower back pain because I'm always lifting pretty heavy, and I also drive a lot, so I'm always in the car. So I've been coming here for about a year, and ever since I've been coming here, my back has definitely improved. So
how was that one there?
Excellent.
That was good. Yeah. How was that one there?
That was perfect.
That was good.
Perfect.
Awesome.
There.
All right. All right, good. Here. And a nice stretch just like that there. That was awesome. All right, perfect.
Dr. Jaffe, top tier.
Yeah.
I always feel 10 times better when I come here. So if you're not here, you're missing out.